Hi, welcome back. Thanks for joining me today. Today, what I'm going to be showing you is how to recreate this eyeshadow combination. It's super simple. We are only going to use 2 eyeshadow products and then an eyeliner with it, with mascara, and that's it. So it's going to be really quick, really simple, and I'm excited because the eyeshadow itself is actually a brand new limited edition holiday eyeshadow. So they come in 3 different colors. There is the sparkling, which is kind of like a silver color. There is the rose, which is kind of like a berry color. And then this one down here is the one that I used today, and it's champagne. So it's almost like a gold, but it also can kind of look like a rose gold too. So today we are going to be using that one with one eyeshadow color, and it's going to be golden mauve. So we're going to go ahead and get started right away. It is so simple. So if you're looking for the perfect, easy, but also very holiday look, this is it for you. So I love how simple these are to use. I also love that you can easily match other colors with them. And it makes such a pretty eyeshadow combination without being too difficult. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to show you right away. So this again is the champagne color, and here I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to just apply it on my eyelid. I can't believe how you can see it's so thick and so shimmery, so beautiful, and so easy to apply. So one thing I really like about it is a lot of times when you get a really pretty and shimmery liquid eyeshadow, it almost gets chunky when you put it on. You might know exactly what I'm talking about. I have tried liquid eyeshadows before where they kind of get a little bit chunky and they don't evenly disperse like this. This one evenly dispersed so nicely. All right, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use my cream color brush to just kind of blend this out a little bit, make sure that it is nice and even. So I'm just using this just to kind of blend this out, make sure we don't have any harsh lines. And then we're going to let it dry for just a second. So again, this is champagne, and you could leave it as is. You don't even need to add anything else if you don't want to. I am going to add one more color, and you can see just kind of how it makes the outside a little bit darker, but you can absolutely use this all by itself too. You can mix them as well. So I'm going to do more videos and I'm going to be showing you these liquid eyeshadows because I love them. I really, really love them. I think they're user friendly. They're good for people who are beginners in makeup, but they're also good for people who have been using makeup for a long time. So I really am enjoying them. But like I said, oops, I'm so sorry. Like I said though, they're limited edition. So they are while supplies last, and I am sure that these are not going to be around for very long because I love the way that they work. So if you want one, you probably actually want all 3. I really didn't know about the rose color, but I'm going to show it to you on the back of my hand too. It's beautiful, and they're so blendable, so they're so easy to use. So anyway, got the champagne on right now. And then also, let me tell you about my lip combination. So my lip combo is also using a new product. It's one of the new lip liners. So you might have seen on here, I have done a couple tutorials using the new eyeliners and the new lip liners. But today, the lip color that I have on, let me tell you and let me show you what I have on. So I have on Rose Lip Liner. So the lip liner Rose, we've had that one before. So this is already carried over the color from the last launch, but it's waterproof so it doesn't budge, which I love because it means it stays all day long. And then I used over the top of it, Love Me Pink lipstick. So you can see here it's a semi-matte. It's a beautiful color. It kind of just lightened it up just a little bit. And then I used over the top of that a lip gloss, and I used Unique Mauve as the lip gloss. Excuse me. So I used the Unique Mauve over the top. So I used those 3 together to get this lip combo. So tell me what you think about that down below. Would you wear this lip combo? So again, it's Rose Lip Liner, it's Love Me Pink lipstick, and then Unique Mauve lip gloss. All right. Now I'm going to go ahead and we're going to finish this eyeshadow combination. So I just kind of wanted to give it a second just to make sure it was nice and dry. And now we can go in and finish it. So I am going to use today my crease brush to pick up right here. You can see it right here. It's got that circle in it, so you can tell I use it all the time. It's golden mauve. So I'm just going to take my crease brush and I'm going to pick this up, and I'm going to just put a little bit of this color right in the outer corner. So I just want to darken it up just a little bit. Again, but it's so simple, such an easy addition to this eyeshadow to give it a little bit of a dimension. So I'm just adding a little bit of color out here. And this is also a shimmer, so it's going to add to the shimmery. And if you are thinking right now, I'm too old to wear shimmer, I want you to stop thinking that, because that is not true. I actually love shimmer eyeshadows for all ages. One big reason is that a shimmer eyeshadow is a lot easier to blend. So a lot of times your eyeshadow is going to look a lot better and a lot more professional and a lot more blended when you use a shimmer eyeshadow. So I'm here to help bust that myth for you. Everyone can use a good shimmer eyeshadow, especially around the holiday time. All right, so now I'm going to use my blending brush and I'm just going to blend this out. So I'm not adding anything else to it. I am just blending this color in here. So again, this was golden mauve that we're using with that champagne liquid eyeshadow. And that's it. So simple, so easy. So a cool thing about these liquid eyeshadows is you can do that with pretty much any of the colors. So if you like a gray, add a gray. If you like browns, add a brown. If you want like pinks, you can add the pink. You can also use, like I said before, just the liquid eyeshadow all by itself as well. So there's so many different ways to use them, but they're really user friendly, which was what I was the most excited about, because I think sometimes we can get a little scared using a new product. So if you don't use liquid eyeshadows, they can be a little scary, but these are super user friendly. I hope you can tell by how easy that just was to do that eyeshadow combo. All right, next I'm going to add a little bit of eyeliner. This is also a brand new eyeliner. It's waterproof. It's the brown color. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put a little bit underneath my eye first. Let me use my mirror so I don't screw this up. So I'm just going to put a little bit underneath my eye. You can see right over here, I kind of just have it right to there. Same thing over here, just a little bit. So not halfway across, just like maybe a third of the way across. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put it on top too. So I really like the brown because it's so... Again, it's user friendly. Anybody can wear a brown eyeliner. It's so simple. It's so light. And also, if you're new to eyeliner, it's a great place to get started because it is a little bit lighter. I love the new consistency of the new eyeliners because they're so creamy. So it's so much easier to get them all the way across your eye in a straight line without having any issues. Okay. There we go. So you can see I also did not go all the way over here. I just kind of went about maybe 3/4 of the way across my eyelid. Oh, I got a little bit out here. So one cool thing about these waterproof eyeliners is that they're very easy to use because they're creamy, they're easy to put on, but once you get them on, they dry and they don't move. So they are waterproof and they're also smudge proof, they're smudge resistant, all the things. So how I just messed that up right there, I just quickly got it before it dried. If it dried, I would not have been able to get that off so easily. So make sure when you're applying your eyeliner and things like that, within about a minute, then it's going to stay put. So make sure you have it in the right places. So about a minute after it dries, then it's going to not budge. It's not going to go anywhere. So anyway, got my eyeliner on, and now I'm just going to add a little bit of mascara to this too. So the mascara I'm going to use today is Lash Fanaroma. I always like to curl my lashes first. So I just like to curl them for maybe about 10 seconds, just a couple of just do this a couple times and then make sure I hold it down for a few minutes, not few minutes, few seconds. And then you can go ahead and let it go. It's just going to give your eyelashes a little bit of a boost so that when you're applying your mascara doesn't have to work quite as hard. So now I'm just going to add a layer of this Lash Fanaroma. So you can see how they're already sticking straight up. That's because I curled my lashes first. So it makes a big difference. If you want your eyelashes to look really nice and long, that's definitely a key and a tip to help you out. So make sure you tell me down below too what you think about this eyeshadow combination and this lip combo. Tell me down below what you think about it. I think it would be beautiful for all year round. I love sparkles. I love shimmer. I think it's so beautiful. It has its time and place, absolutely, especially around the holidays. So like I said, these are limited editions. So if you want to grab them, check down below. I will have them linked down below, so you can click right on my link and you'll be able to find all 3 of these liquid eyeshadows, and you can order them right off my website. So make sure you check that out. As long as you do not already have a Mary Kay consultant or you're not a consultant yourself, check out my website and you can place your order right down below. and grab these for your holiday look. Tell me too, where would you wear these to? Would you wear these to a holiday party? Would you wear them every day? At first I was like, oh, these are gonna be so pretty for special occasions. And I was just in a wedding. I wore this champagne color on as part of my look for the wedding as well. And what I did was I did my eyeshadow regular, like normal, and I just added a little bit in kind of the like right here, right in the center of my lid, just to make it pop and make it sparkle a lot. But you can absolutely, like I did today too, use it as kind of the main part of your eyeshadow combo too. And it's so easy to use. Okay, there we go. Got my mascara on. I'll grab those little bottom lashes. And then let me show you all 3 colors in the back of my hand. So then you can vote down below which one is your favorite. And like I said, I will do some more combinations as well, so you can see more of these and how they look and how I can use them. And I also have been using the rose one with one of the other 2 together, and just the 2 of them. That works really pretty too. So like I said, stay tuned, make sure you subscribe, come back so that you can check out all the other combinations too. But go ahead and vote down below and tell me which one of these is your favorite combo or color. So this one is the rose. Look at that, it's so pretty. It's got like that berry look to it. It's so beautiful. I just love the consistency. Again, I love that they're not like see-through at all. They hold their pigment so well and they glide on the whole color. I love that. There's no like see-through or holes or where it's kind of pilling together. None of that. This is the champagne. This is the one that I used today. And it's got, I think you can really make this one look very rose gold, or you can make it kind of look gold too. So you can kind of work that one to the color that you want it to be. And then the last one, this is the sparkling. So this has kind of got like a silver tint to it. Okay, so vote down below. Tell me which one's your favorite. So again, we've got rose, champagne, and then sparkling. And they just are so beautiful. I love the way they shimmer, the way that they have that foil in there. So tell me down below which one's your favorite and which one do you want to see next on as a eyeshadow combination. So tell me down below. And also, like I said, make sure you subscribe so that you can see more of these video tutorials. Thank you so much for joining me here today. And like I said, make sure you check down below. You'll find that link so you can check out these products. You're also going to find a link down there to join my email list. Make sure you join my email list because soon I'm going to actually be launching a holiday box that has some of these in it, and it's going to be kind of like glitz and glammy for the holidays. So if you are in love with them and you're like, oh my gosh, I want more information, I want more of what you do, make sure you subscribe to my email list because that is where you find out first all of the classes and all of the things that I'm doing. So thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you back here next time. Don't forget to vote which one is your favorite. Bye.